Exit 12.
Exit 12.
All locations for the 3-story, end of the row, 15 by 45, occupied dwelling. We got heavy fire showing on the first and second floor. Blaze, 2 and 2 in service.
That's affirmative. Attention companies responding. 4309 Fleming Street with the exception of 435 and engine 66. Proceeding to go into service. Repeating, companies responding 4309 Fleming Street with the exception of 435 and engine 66. Proceeding to go into service. Companies are reminded to operate or fire.
Drop that tank! Right there. Bring it.
Antagonizers. All visible fires been knocked down, first and second floors. Companies are making their way up to the third, making good progress. Primary search is still underway. Fatal areas, red report radio. Still in service of 3 and 2. Battalion 9.
Hi, Nancy.
By orders of Battalion 9, you can place the fire under control. Will release the company's secondary search is negative at this time. Affirmative.
Affirmative.